Hi guys, today I'm going to show you this awesome 4K camera. It's not only a camera for photos, also for videos. And for videos it has a special design. It has this 180 degrees flippable screen, so awesome for vlogging of course. But it's not only a very interesting camera with a lot of functions, it is also a great package. Comes with everything, even 2 batteries, external battery charger, which is rather hard to find. Comes even with an included micro SD card, so you can start right away to make pictures and videos with this set. So I'm going to take it out of the box, show you what to get, and then show you also some live footage, how to use it, everything. So stay tuned till the very end of the video. Okay, and so here we have the box. Of course, also again the really nice specs, features: 16 times zoom, anti-shake, high max resolution, even a flashlight or fill-in light for the video. So let's open the box, see what we really get. So that's the accessories box, and you can see it comes with a 32 GB micro SD card, but comes also with the SD card, full-size SD card adapter. Then we get 2 times the battery and even an external charger. This can definitely help when you want to record a lot. And here even standard USB power supply, and then a hand strap. Comes even with a mini HDMI to full-size HDMI, so you can directly connect it to, for example, to a TV and then play it from there for your friends or family. Then mini USB connecting cable, so you can connect it with the USB-A to computer and with the mini USB to the camera, and then transfer all the pictures and videos, even cleaning towel. And then the camera itself comes even with a nice pouch. And then here we have the camera itself, really nice, beautiful retro style. I love it. And then of course the major thing, that's the flippable screen, and it comes even with a professional protection for the lens. And then of course we get the full instructions manual. And so here we have the camera, has even hot shoe mount. We can remove that and add an external flash, which we can control from the menu here. Then we have the shutter release button, we have the on off button, we have zoom, we have the full menu. Then of course the screen, we can remove this protection, and the screen of course is flippable. Then we have the opening here for the HDMI, mini USB for data transfer and also for charging. Then a microphone port, so you can also use external microphone. Here we have the lens, so we can remove this protection here as well. Then we have the flash or fill-in light for videos. And down here we have the full 1/4-inch tripod mount, standard tripod mount, really good. So we have everything what we need. Also this hook here for the hand strap. And so the first thing which we have to do is to charge the battery. And so we cannot only use this here on the camera, we can also use this for the charging cradle. And so we have to align it here. You can see it's a little bit smaller than the charging cradle. And so we have to align these pins here on the left side, push it to the front, and then snap it fully inside. Goes into red, which means charging. When it's fully charged, it shows green. You have to really push pretty hard, but of course you can also charge it in the camera itself. To open, we push this to the left side, and then we have to align the pins on the right side. We have to also push this flap here a little bit to the back, so we are doing that like that, so we can push it inside and then it snaps in so it's not falling out. And now we open the cover on the right side, and so you can see we can charge it also here. But the battery is pretty good charge, so I don't need that. Now we have to prepare the memory card, and so we push the micro SD card into the normal SD card adapter, and then we push it inside underneath. Make sure the pins go to the front. Just push it fully inside, and then it clicks and gets fully locked. And so we are ready now. We just push here on the right top to turn it on. See the blue light, get welcome notification. And so we are here in the photo mode. We have 4 different modes. We can switch with this mode button here. You can see now we are in the video recording mode. We can push again, goes into playback mode, push again, and then it goes into the system setup where we can choose the language, use this control here to move around. On the right side, set date, power save mode, beeping mode. I've turned this already off. If you want to change something, hit OK. Then you can see you can either activate or deactivate the beeping sound for this button here. Change the frequency, format the microSD card, which is highly recommended at the beginning. So we go to left side, hit OK, confirm again. Takes just a couple of seconds. And we can also reset the camera here. And then we press the mode again, and then it goes back to the photo camera mode. For the photo mode and for the video recording mode, we have also more settings. When we are in the photo mode, we hit the menu. Then we can change the mode. We have different modes, for example, the auto mode which we are in, but you can see we have so many modes. We have night mode, we have portrait mode, we have landscape, we have backlight, we have sports, we have party, beach, high sensitivity, so many modes. I'm not going to show everything. Maybe the most important thing here, the resolution, 7 megapixel highest resolution here. And then we have beauty phase, we have different shooting scenes, we have single shot or continuous shooting, we have self timer, exposure compensation, different white balance, quality mode, and so on and so on. You can see we have really a lot, and we have also stabilization. Stabilization is only available in the photo mode and not in the video mode. So let's go back. Now switch to the video mode, and in the video mode we also have a lot of menu functions. So also here we have different modes, very similar to the photo mode. Different resolution for the video, 4K, 2.7K, Full HD, which I recommend and I'm using here. Then beauty phase. And then we have some special video modes. That's really interesting. So we have normal mode, but we have also motion detection mode. So you can use it also as a security camera. We have the time-lapse recording. We have time-lapse photo and even slow motion. Time-lapse setting, exposure compensation, different white balance, and so on and so on. And to start shooting a video, we just hit the shutter release button. You can see, we see this red blinking dot, and now it's already recording. It's also recording the audio. Selfie and microphone test. In the video mode, we don't have special focusing mode, so it's always focusing. But we have zoom in and zoom out. You can see that here, of course, we are way too close, and so it cannot properly focus, but it's perfectly working outside. And to activate the video light, we hit this button here on top. You can see really nice, strong video light. And then we switch to the photo function again. And here we have the autofocus. When we just hit the shutter release button a little bit, you can see it goes into yellow, and after some time goes into green, and then we fully press down, and then it will make the photo. And instead of the video light, we have here different flash modes: external flash, no flash, automatic flash, or fill-in flash. Here on the right side, we have the option to make multiple images. We see that here. So when it's focusing then, and we press, it makes multiple images. On the left side, we have timer in different options: 2 seconds, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, or instantly. And here we can delete pictures. And so let's go with the mode to the playback function. And so we can see the different videos and photos and play directly from here. To start and stop, we can use the shutter release button. And of course, we want to see how this works with this flippable monitor. And so I start video recording. And so we can open this monitor and flip it around while it keeps recording. That's absolutely awesome. You can see me here behind the camera and it keeps recording. So that's really, really cool. And so I've been outside shooting a lot of pictures and videos, and now we want to see that. Of course, we can directly watch this here on the camera. So here I'm in the play mode. I can just start watching that, but of course I want to see that a little bit larger, so I have plenty of options. I could remove the micro SD card here, or the SD card, and put it into a computer, or use OTG adapter to watch it on my phone. but here in this case I want to show you how this works with a Windows computer. Would also work pretty much the same way on Mac OS. So we are connecting this mini USB cable and the USB AV plug-in into the laptop. And then we have two possibilities. We can use it as a PC camera, or we can read the storage here. Yeah, let's try with the PC camera. You get this icon here. And so I've opened this camera app. And so we are choosing the camera here, and you can see definitely working. Yeah, that's pretty nice, working straight out of the box. But now we want to see the pictures and videos, so we unplug it and plug it back, turn it on again, and now we select the MSDC, we hit OK, and now the computer is showing a D drive. We click on that, open folder and see files. That's the DCIM folder. We dig down into this media folder, and now we have everything, all the photos and videos, so we can view them directly here, make them even a little bit larger, and you can see, I would say, really good colors, good sharpness. Yeah, even against the light, that's pretty cool. Decent dynamic range, also nice blue sky. Green is green. Yeah, as far as I can see, really decent pictures. Also closer shots, door decoration. And then let's see, also the video looks also pretty good. Of course, we do not have a special stabilization, but I would say it's really nice. Also, the zooming function works. And yeah, pretty decent, I would say. Zoom in, zoom out now again. And I really love that we have some decent colors. You can see the blue sky, clouds, green trees, everything. I would say pretty accurate. Doesn't get much better than that. Of course, again, when I'm walking, there's no stabilization. So I think for this style of camera, it does a decent job. Definitely one of the better models. Also really nice functions with the flippable screen, with the hot shoe. We have two batteries. We have the external charger, and also the image quality is pretty decent, I would say, for such type of camera. Of course, it's not a Sony, it's not a Canon, it's not a Nikon camera. I mean, this is definitely a beginner's camera or a kid's camera. If you need something to give to children and want to avoid that they can access the internet like with a smartphone, because this definitely has no access to the internet, and the children can still make some really nice images and videos. Of course, again, no stabilization, maybe the biggest disadvantage here. Other than that, I would say for this class, why not? And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.